नमस्कार दोस्तों, you watching this video signing off 2.0 with Anupam Misra. Today's my topic is related to economics. In all our world, only 434 commodities visible in the world as a greatest economics, as I said. So today's topic is what are the commodities and what types of that 434 commodities. So mainly that 434 commodities categorized its one nature is of five types. First is intermediary goods, second is final goods, third is consumer and consumption goods, fourth is producer and production goods, and fifth is capital goods. So first is intermediary goods. What the simply meaning of intermediary goods? Intermediary goods refers to all those goods who have been not cross the boundary level of productions. That's what it simply means. That's the meaning of this t-shirt. This t-shirt when in a production way, okay, in a factory, then this t-shirt is considered the intermediary goods. Just like an example, when any tea seller purchase the milk for the selling of tea and purchasing the money, so that milk to purchase by the tea seller is basically considered the intermediary goods, where what the meaning of final goods? Final goods refers to all those goods who have been crossed the boundary level of production and use the final user that commodity. Just like this t-shirt, because I am a consumer, I was gone to the I was gone to the market and purchased this t-shirt and I will wear this t-shirt. So this t-shirt is a final goods consider, where I just explain you in this intermediary goods example. When the tea seller purchase the tea for the selling the tea and purchasing the money, where that milk purchased by the household sectors, that means consumer, final consumer, to consume one, fulfill the wants, so that milk consider the final goods. Why? Because that milk used by the final user. So that the difference of the final and intermediate goods. Intermediate goods refers to all those goods who have been not crossed the boundary level of production, and where final goods refers to all those goods who have been crossed the boundary level of production and ready to use the final user. And here one thing is a very important. That's what the thing is. When any country, when any economic only produce the final goods, when he will become the rich country in the world, where only intermediary goods produced by the any economic, that particular country is a very extremely poor country and poor economic on that particular country. Why? Because Ashirwad, as an example for you, Ashirwad as a brand of atta. So when farming the wheat in one land and produce the wheat in as like a intermediary. Why? Because that wheat don't purchase by the final user. So that's why when that particular wheat purchased by the Ashirwad brand. So that Ashirwad as a in a in a atta manner, in a atta manner, wheat converted into the atta, and this that particular atta packaged form and sold by the consumer, where farmer sell that particular wheat only to 2 to 10 rupees kg per kg, where converted wheat to atta in 20 to 30 rupees per kg. So that's the reason of any economic in any country, poor or rich, where as like India and China only produce the final goods, where India only produce the intermediary goods. So that's why China is a far better of India, where China only focus the final goods produced, where India is not. But in a situation according to time, situation is improved. India intermediary good to improve converted in the final goods. So economic is the boost level of India. So this is the topic. I just explain you communities 434 communities in rest of the world, and 430 this particular 434 communities categorized per at its per nature five types. First, intermediate goods. Second is final goods. Third is consumer consumption goods. फोर्थ इज आपका हो गया प्रोड्यूसर गुड्स, एंड फिफ्थ हो गया कैपिटल गुड्स. सो आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू ओनली टू कमोडिटीज. फर्स्ट इज इंटरमीडियरी गुड्स and second is final goods, and I also explain you what's matter to intermediary goods and the final goods, and how to reach any economic to produce the final goods for the anything of commodity. So here my topic is ended, and I hope this video for boost your knowledge maybe. So thank you, and share this video your friends and relatives and others. Thank you.